Assalamu alaikum. I'm Miss Nadia and today our topic is adverb. Page number 4. So what is adverb? A word that describes a verb, an adjective or another adverb. It means that adverbs give information about verb and adjective and even about the whole sentence. Well, we use adverb because they answer some important questions. Questions like how, when, and where. So many adverbs describe verb by telling how an action happened. The verbs like quickly, peacefully, and loudly. So quickly running, peacefully sleeping, and talking loudly. Do you notice about these three adverbs? They all end with ly. Quick, peaceful, and loud are all adjectives that can describe noun. But what describes an adverb? Ly. Ly describes an adverb, so we use ly to create an adverb. When. Adverb also describes when or how often something happens. We can use these words to describe verbs or adjectives like now, always, then, never, tomorrow, sometimes. We have example like walking now and Sarah always happy. So now and always are adverb and we use when for these adverbs. Now come to the last one, where. Adverb also answer the question where. Words such as inside, outside, here, there, up, down. These words can be used where something happens. Now come to the book exercise. First, we just look the definition of adverb. A word which describes how, where, or when an action is performed is called an adverb. Example, the troops fought gallantly. Gallantly means bravery. So gallantly tells how the troops fought. So we use how. The other example is we looked everywhere for the lost ball. Everywhere tells where we looked. Everywhere is an adverb. And for everywhere we use where. The last example is we looked for the lost ball yesterday. Yesterday tells when we looked. So yesterday is an adverb and yesterday tells when we looked. Now come to the exercise A. Make a list of the adverbs in these sentences. After each, write how, where, or when as required. Instead of making a list, just underline the adverbs and after that write how, where, or when. Number first one is Nigel washed the dishes carefully. Carefully is an adverb, so we underline carefully. And the question is how. So after underlining the carefully, we write how, because how is in question. How Nigel washed the dishes. Nigel washed the dishes carefully is the answer. So the word how we write after the sentence. Exercise A will be done in book. Now come to the exercise B. Complete each sentence by using a suitable adverb from the column on the left. Use your dictionary to help. By using a dictionary, we have to write the correct adverb. Adverbs are given on the left. So we have to find out the meaning of these adverbs. First one is the thief struggled dash violently. Violently we use for the hurt or damage or kill someone or something. So violently is the answer of this sentence. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.